Cinnamon challenge.
About to die. Why are you shaking?
I'm hitting it. I'm not shaking. Oh, hell no. Oh, shit. Got out my pants.
Oh well.
Got cinnamon right here. Take a look. Oh, let me open my water.
Nah, you're about to die.
Y'all ready?
You didn't even last 5 seconds, yo.
It actually tastes good.
No, there's something wrong with you. You're not swallowing it. You just put it in your
I'm
mouth.
about to knock. Ah, spicy.
No, don't. I told you. I told you.
Your turn now.
It's not my turn.
Watch
I'm not doing it.
Eric, little pussy.
Alright, take the camera. I need another spoon. I know we can get spoon. Cinnamon egg. That's a lot of cinnamon. Alright, here y'all go. I don't want to die. It hurts. Oh my god.
Cinnamon challenge.
That's crazy. I'm not doing it again. It's so dry. You said that tastes good. What's wrong with you?
Trying to get you to do it.
No, it's not. Don't try it. Don't try it for real. Oh my god.